Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably heard all the buzz about DeepSeek. It's one of the most impressive AI models out there right now, but guess what? You don't need to rely on the cloud or third-party services to use it. Today, I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek locally on your computer using Ollama. The first thing you need to do is install Ollama. Here's how. Open your browser and head over to ollama.com. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. They've got you covered. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions. It's super straightforward. Now that Ollama is installed, it's time to get the DeepSeek model running locally. Open your terminal or command prompt. Now, head back to the Ollama website and select the DeepSeek model. You'll want to choose the parameters that best match your hardware. For instance, if you've got a powerful machine, you can go for the bigger models. Otherwise, choose a smaller one. Once you've chosen the right parameters, copy the command they provide and paste it into the command prompt. Hit enter, and the download will begin. It might take a little time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the model will start running automatically. You can now ask it anything you like. Let's test it with a simple question. What is greater, 9.9 or 9.11? Let's see what. There you have it. The model thinks for a bit and gives us the correct answer. Super simple and easy to use, right? Now, if you ever exit the command prompt and want to run the model again, it's just as simple. Open command prompt and type Ollama Run DeepSeek, R1, parameters 1.5b. This command tells Ollama to run the DeepSeek R1 model with the 1.5 billion parameter version we downloaded earlier. And that's it, you're back in business. And that's how you can run the DeepSeek model locally on your computer using Ollama. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.